Thank you so much. Thank you so much. When Ratan Tata built the Nano, the president of US came and he wanted to see the Nano. He didn't want to see the Taj. Similarly, when the finance minister of India came to Mohali to lay a foundation stone of a building, other building, he wanted to see this building and came to us. So I'm a proud Sikh, a proud Punjabi, and a proud Indian. So this building, actually everything, starting from the concept, design, computer design, 3D modeling, giving it to, sending it, the model to SCRC for the seismic tests, manufacturing of the building, and then erecting of the building is actually a 7-month wonder. In totality, from the thought to the execution is around 7 months. So this actually is, what we have done is, we have taken the building to the factory. I heard many people, speakers on the dais. Everybody had a problem. Sometimes the plumber was not there, sometimes the mason won't be there, electrician won't be there. So there are multiple things, multiple traits needed to build a building, and they're generally not there. When I was building my house, that was the main problem I faced. So I thought, why can't we take this house to the factory as we manufacture cars? Even all the traits are done, then the God is not with us. The rain comes, so we have to stop. So everything, when it is in the factory, everything is controlled. Everything is precise. Putting up a welding set on site takes half a day. There you do MIG welding. You create an inert atmosphere and do MIG welding. Whereas other places you need to just get the stick welding done, which is not the right welding at all. So all the problems what the builders were facing, we wanted that to be taken to the factory. So that is the concept. This is a modular steel factory made building. Everything which is there in the floor is done in the factory itself. Plumbing, firefighting, electrical, smart building concept, even the tiling is done in the factory. So nothing is done on the site. You just pick up and just keep on assembling like a Lego game. When we were small, we used to do the Lego game. That's the concept. Keep on putting one platform over the other. So you can see the specifications, general specifications of the building. This is what we have done. Put everything in the building, in the factory, and bring it and keep on assembling. This is the concept. So this is all structural steel manufactured in the factory, and in the RCC buildings also the strength is by steel. Cement, RCC is the strength is by steel. So this is basically a steel building. Eiffel Tower has been standing there for centuries. Hooghly, Howrah Bridge is there. I think all bridges are steel. So buildings are more safer, better. Seismic zone 5 we got clearance from SCRC Chennai. So what we did is actually combined all the things in together in the factory, brought it here and started assembling. So now let me tell you, this is not just a building. 48 hours building we have shown to the world that Indians can also do it. Previous to that, my friend was the best. I went to affordable housing conference in Mumbai, and as a Nigerian was sitting next to me. Nigerians are very big and tall, I just happened to talk to him. I said, I'm planning a 10-story building in 48 hours. Ha, 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 ha. He started laughing. All of the conference were looking at us. I said, fine. If people laugh at you, you are moving in the right direction. This first day itself, 24 hours passed, and still I had phone calls from my dear friends. Ban jayegi na? And 48 hours, once everything was done, and finance minister also visited and wanted to see the building and asked hundreds of questions, still I have people saying, khadi rahegi na? So, kuch to log kahenge, logon ka kaam hai kehna. Ye to chalta rahega. We be focused, and I didn't lose my focus, and the wonder is before you. Let me tell you some features of this building. This is ultra fast building, certainly it is. There is a lot of energy efficiency we have put in this building. This has got 75 millimeters of PIR on the outside. it is like you having a blanket and you don't feel cold because blanket doesn't have any heaters, but the heat of your body doesn't go outside. Similarly, in this building, we have PIR, it's the same material which the refrigerators have, puff, which is all the sides, that is the material we have put. So it will not allow any heat coming inside and inside coolness to go out. So the energy, there's no energy loss virtually. All the window panes are 4 panes. 2 panes, an organ is in that, and another 2 panes, organ is in that. And another smart feature we have put, when the temperature is 27 degrees outside and sun is there, the curtains will automatically fall down. So these smart features we have put in. All the cooling is from down. You know, when we were in class 10, we used to know, we learned that garam hawa upar urti hai. And all the cooling we do is from top. We first cool the upper portion and then the cool comes down which you require. In my building, all the cool is from down. It's bottom to up. Ventilation is from top. Five air changes an hour. We have put in ERVs, we have put in ESPs, all the technologies in the world we have tried to put in this building. So making it, a normal building generally takes 350 kilowatt hour per meter square per annum. That's the energy load. This building will take 70 kilowatt hour per meter square per year. All the lighting is LED. So there's no way I want to heat. Heat is reduced. So that is the main motto. Then we have done a lot of things on air. You know, we take, a human being generally take 20,000 breaths a day. Around 15 meter cube of air everybody inhales every day. 1 meter cube is around 1.3 kgs. So you are breathing around 20 kgs of air every day. And we drink 2 liters of water. So 10 times what we drink and eat every day, there is nothing has been done on air. On water, you have mineral water, you have bottled water, you have RO water. A lot of things have been done on water, but nothing has been done on air. WHO says that 68% of the human diseases are because of indoor air pollution. Any building gives indoor air pollution. All the desks, all the ply, any adhesive, you know, the carpet which is tied to the bottom, the ply, the sides, everything is, basically everything has formaldehyde. If you eat 6 grams of formaldehyde, you will die. And formaldehyde keeps on emitting VOCs for 20 long years. It is not that you clean the air now and then it will be okay. So we are eating poison